Hi, so now we will make the next floors by copying this part here. So just go to the front view and go to rectangular pattern here. Then you need to choose a solid, so just choose this one. So the common error to do that you can do in rectangular pattern is to, I'll do it again, if I go here and then select this face, then it's not gonna work because I want to copy the whole model. So be sure that you select the whole part. So I think you need to click on one of the edges outside, or just you can also just like this select the whole thing. You will find out by yourself if it works or not. So once you select it, go to direction and choose one of the edges that are pointing upwards, like here or here. So I'll choose this one, and then you will get this arrow that you can drag. So just drag it up a bit, and maybe it's easier to go to the front view. And we will make 5 floors if we want the same as the one on the left. So it should be something like here. And then click enter. So now you got 5 floors, and we want to make some modifications to the top floor. To do that, you can go to up here and select tweak. So if you haven't tried tweak yet, I will explain how to use it. So basically with tweak you can select the edge or a face and move it. So I will show you on this edge what I mean. So I can select this edge here, and I can rotate it or pull it out. So I will pull it up, just like here, to get this triangular shape. So once you have it like you want it, just click enter. And then we want to make this part here. So we need to use split face again. And instead of making a new sketch, we will just use the one we have here. If you have deleted it, then just make a new one. So again, we need to rotate it down, as it was before. So it's gonna be this one, 90 degrees. And then you might want to put it a bit higher than the building and go to the top view. Then you can move it on top, and you can resize all the edges. So you just be sure to select one of the edges by clicking on it, and we will make this cut here. Oops, sorry about that. There. So we want to split the face, so go to split face, select the top face, then go to splitting entity and choose your sketch. So now you see how it will cut through the whole building, the whole face on the top. So just click enter, and you see you have this new face. Then go to the top face again, top view, and we're gonna make a smaller cut. There. So this is good practice to use split face. Go to split face again, select the new face, then splitting entity, select your sketch and click enter. So you get a new cut. Go to the top view again, and we will make a tiny rectangle there. Then split face, select the second face, then splitting entity, select the sketch, click enter. So now you see how we got the four faces. Yes. So now we want to use, I'm sorry, I lost control over my movements here. It's like this. So we want to extrude this part down. So if you go to modify, you can use press pull. I think you can also use extrude here, but in this case we'll use press pull. So a faster way to do this is just to, if you click on the building, you can then select faces. So if you select this face, this menu will appear, and then you can tweak, press pull, and shell. So we just want press pull, and we want to pull this arrow a bit down, just like this, and then click enter. Then we also want to bring these parts up. So again, you can select the face and go to this menu. But if you want to choose both, click on one, then hold Control on your keyboard and click the next one. So now you have selected both, and you can go to press pull. So pull them out, and then again we'll choose this one, press pull, pull out. So now you see we want this shape here, so we need to tweak it. So to tweak it, you just, instead of going up here, you can select this edge, same way you did with the face, click it. Maybe you want to go to the front view and choose tweak on this menu that appears. You can then bring this down. So how did we have it here? Something like this, and then you can do the same with this edge. Click it, go to tweak, and then front view to make it easier. I think this is fine. We also want this face to be tweaked a bit. So select it and then tweak. Go to front view and just rotate it straight and move it here. So of course this is not the same shape, but this is up to you how you want it. If you want to make it a real square, you can fix it, but I think this is fine. Then click enter. So in the next part we will continue to do the side part. So I hope this wasn't too difficult.